Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Defender on your computer. There'll be two methods in doing it, so kindly follow with me step by step. So the first method is that we're going to go to Settings, tap on it. Now when you get to Settings, you're going to go through these options and look for Update Security. You're going to tap on it. Now let me just give you a brief overview of why you need to disable it sometimes. Sometimes you need to disable Windows Defender if you want to upload a new application or edit anything that's related to the security platform on your Windows. So know that it's important that you have your Defender option always on, so that you can keep your computer from any malicious, say, errors that can come from any intruding software that's outside. So make sure that you're clear on what you're doing and you're happy with the software that you're about to add or the application that you're about to add to your computer. So let's continue, please. So when you're in, you're going to go to Windows Security. Tap on Windows Security here on the left. Then you're going to go over to the right where you have this interchange of sections. You're going to tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Tap on that. Give that a few seconds and you'll have this pop up. After that, you're going to go over to the right here where it says Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to where you say Manage Settings. Tap on it and you'll be taken over to this area. Now this interface has many options. We just want to focus on the first two. Tap on Real-Time Protection. Now this is on because my Defender is on. You're going to tap on it so that it goes off. You see that? No, I want to leave my Defender on. Further down, you're going to tap on Cloud Delivery Protection. Tap on that until it goes off. And here it warns you that do you want to change this app to make changes to your devices? I'm going to say no. Okay, so you have to change these two in order to turn off your Defender on your computer. That is method one. Now, the other method that you can use in order to turn off your Defender temporarily or permanently is you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in the word run. Typing run and you're going to tap on app. On tapping on app, you have to type in this word, Regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Tap on that and click on OK. On tapping on that, you'll be taken over to this interface where it asks you user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And we're going to say yes. On tapping on that, you'll be taken over to this interface. Now, what you want to do, you're going to go up to the top and tap on H key local machine. Tap on it. On tapping on that, you're going to then go to software. Now mine has just expanded because I was using it. Go to software. On the software tab, you're going to go down to policies. Right here, policies. After you have tapped on policies, it's going to expand and you're going to go to Windows Defender. Tap on Windows Defender and after that you're going to do a right click. Then you're going to go to new here. Then you're going to go to D word 32-bit value. Tap on that and you'll get a new digit segment on the right side of the display panel. Now what you're going to do, please type as you see it. You're going to type in disable anti-spyware and then you're going to tap on enter. On tapping on enter, you then have to right click to modify. Tap on modify and what you're going to do, you're going to put number 1 in the value data section. After you're done, you're going to tap on OK. After tapping on OK, you then have to restart your computer in order to see that the Defender is disabled. If you want to re-able the Defender, all you have to do is come back to these sections and delete. Are you sure that you want to delete? Are you sure you want to delete this value? Yes, I'm going to say yes. Again, delete all these if you want to reactivate the Defender on your computer. Deleting certain registrar value could cause system instability. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this value? Yes, delete. I want to delete all these, baby, because I need my Defender always to be on. Delete. After you're done, you're going to close this, refresh your computer, or restart it. It's better that you restart it so everything is aligned with the change, and then you'll have your Defender reactivated. I hope you've gotten a lot from this video. Please comment below, subscribe, and share the content. If you have any questions for me, I'm more than happy to help you. Chat with you in the next. Thank you and bye.